Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Basalt Tech, and here I got a new money earning website where you can earn Litecoin for free. Explore new earning opportunities for all of you. Earn LTC for free from this magnificent earning platform. Now you can see that introduce a revolutionary way to get your hands on Litecoin. More scroll down, you can check out 47,000 USDT already paid out from this magnificent earning platform. View top earners you can check out, and more scroll down you can see our top partners. You can check out Catalog, Medium, Mondi. We have numerous partners available to know about these. Now more scroll down you can see a light LTC platform with exclusive reward program. Swift withdrawal, unlimited withdrawal from here, unlimited free LTC earning website, diverse earning strategies, and secured and encrypted from here. More scroll down you can see pioneer a new approach to Litecoin. These free platforms you with LTC for completing tasks to get a huge benefit from it. Earn free Litecoin on this platform. Now the question is that how can you reach here? I will provide a link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. You have to click on get started option now, and here you need a email. You just need an email to make your account, to create your account in this website very easily. And here you can see that I already make deposited through my email. That's why I click on continues as my account. You just need an email to start your earning in this website. Now before doing anything, when you reach here you can see this type of interface will come in front of you. You can see here I have 0.3 times 0273 LTC in my account right now. More scroll down, when you come over here you can see that we have 4 default tasks. You got 4 tasks. First one is you have to subscribe channel, then we have 3 other videos. You have to watch that video only for a few seconds to completing this task. After does all these tasks, then you scroll down, you can see here how much video bonus and default tasks. This is 4 tasks you will have to get from here, and you will earn 0.3 times 0150 LTC from this website. Recent activities, how my people create a huge benefit from this website. Now how can you reach here? I already tell you that. And how can you start your earning in this website? We have many more methods available. First of all, before doing anything, you have to update your Litecoin wallet address in this website to take withdrawal. Click on log option now, and here you can see that earning log, withdrawal logs. More scroll down and referral system. Here you can check out, we have another option over here. Click on setting option now, and you will come over here. What things you need to do? Here you need to update your email and your full name you will see over here, and here you need to enter your LTC native address, matlab which address you want to take withdrawal through this address, and here you need to select your currency, then click on save changes. You can update your wallet address in this website through this way very easily and authentically. Now come to the dashboard, and here I am going to show you that we have numerous tasks. To complete these tasks to enhance our earning on daily basis from this website. Now we have task option, sponsored post also available, and we have video ads. If you click on video ads option, then you can see that we have number of ads available in this session. To watch these complete ads to get a huge benefit in the form of Litecoin from these ads. Watch and earn Litecoin from here. Scroll down, you can check out. For example, if you click on it, then you have to stay on this video for 200 seconds, and you will get 0.4 times 025 LTC. Now more scroll down, you can check out, we have many more options available in this website. Your task will update here automatically on daily basis to earn a huge benefit from here. Now more scroll down, you can see over here how much task available in this website to get a huge benefit from here. Here you can see that we have this option, this website ads available. You have to click on it and you can see that you have to stay here 120 seconds, then you will be rewarded with 150 LTC Satoshi. More scroll down, you can check out how much benefit you will generate from here. For example, I am going to complete one task in front of you. Click on it, then you can see that you have to stay here only for 10 seconds. That's why I click on it to show you that how can you complete it. Let's wait for 10 seconds and
Hello
you can see
guys,
that.
welcome back. So today I'm going to be withdrawing again
Now
from
when your
$7.
task is
So if
over,
I
then
should
you
click
can
on
see
withdraw,
that
you see
you
here
have
that I have
earned
about
0.4
$101 available for
LTC
withdrawal,
from here.
and the
Click
minimum
on
withdrawal
it,
here is
okay,
$1.
and come
So
to the
before
website, and here I am going to show that proof of this website. You can earn a huge benefit from here in this way. You can check out how much number of ads available to generate a huge benefit of Litecoin. Now come to the dashboard option, and here I am going to show that another way to increase your earning in this website, to take daily withdrawal from here. Now click on withdraw option now, and here I am going to show that how can you take withdrawal from here. We have three type of withdrawal available: direct referral, indirect referral balance, and activities balance. Activity balance means that you're watching ads you earned a huge benefit and you can take withdrawal from here. Then we have direct referral and indirect referral. Indirect referral means second referral, third referral, and fourth referral. And direct referral means a person who joined this website through your referral link. That is called direct referral link. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now click on sponsored post, and this is also give us a huge benefit. And let's see what we have to do to know about this site. Now you can check out here. We have to post sponsored post, and we have 5 number of sponsored posts available. You can also complete this sponsored post to get a huge benefit from this website. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now we have most important question that is very useful, that is referral system option. My referral and referral contest. Click on my referral option. I have not any referral in this website. As you can see, all thing is in front of you. You can check out I have no referral. Now we have another option, that is referral contest. This is weekly referral contest. You can earn a huge benefit by just competing this referral. 2700 referral chosen by first, and you will be rewarded by 1.207878 LTC from this website. Hopefully you like it, you love it. You have to update your email in this website to get a huge benefit. Now if you want to get this type of more video, you just need to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notified yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.